In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Word document as a plain text file. This is a great skill to have, especially if you need a version of your document without any formatting, images, or other elements. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure your document is saved and ready for conversion. Once your file is open, go to the upper left-hand corner of the screen where you'll see the File option. Click on File. This will open up a menu with several options. You're going to look for Save As, which might also appear as Save a Copy, depending on your version of Word. By selecting this, you're telling Word that you want to create a new copy and choose a specific format, and most importantly, exactly where you'd like to save it. Now, this next step involves choosing the right location for your file. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your folders. Navigate through your computer's filing system and select the folder where you'd like to keep this new version of your document. It could be an existing folder, or you might even create a new one just for these plain text files if you're planning to do this often. Once you've determined the location, you'll need to decide on the file type. Look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. This is where you tell Word in what format you wish to save your document. For our purposes today, we want to choose plain text, .txt. Selecting this option means that Word will strip down all the formatting, such as bold or italic texts, headers, footers, and even images, leaving you with a simple text file. When you're ready, go ahead and click Save. Now, sometimes a dialog box will appear called File Conversion. This is where Word asks you how you want to encode your text file. Encoding is important because it dictates how characters are stored digitally. In most cases, selecting UTF-8 is a good choice because it's a widely used standard that accommodates most languages and symbols. Go ahead and select your preferred encoding from the list. For most people, UTF-8 will work perfectly. Just make sure it's compatible with whatever program you intend to use the text file in later. Click OK to finalize the conversion. And there you have it, a text file containing only the plain, unformatted text from your original document. This format is perfect for things like importing into a database, pasting into web forms, or simply keeping a clean record of your words. Congratulations, you've successfully saved your document as a plain text file.